And we go with the first posture. We will go with the twist pose. Bring your right leg, twist over the left leg. And from here, try to sit on the ground, don't raise your hip. Inhale, still raise the left hand up the ceiling and bring your left elbow, twist the right knee and slowly twist to the right side. Stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, raise your left hand up and release. Now we change another side. Flex the left leg, bring the right leg over. Right leg and left leg. Yes. Now from here, inhale, bring your right hand up and use the right elbow touch the right knee and twist the hip. Don't nip the mat or the hip on the mat and try to straighten your spine. Look back the left shoulder and breathing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, raise the right hand up the ceiling and release. Bring your head, release your leg. Go to the child pose. Just stay here for one more deep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. You can close your eye if you want. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Try to exhale longer than inhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. Now slowly work back your hand and sit up the diamond pose. Bring the knee apart. From here, we will slowly bring the right hand, slowly bend touch the right knee and left hand slowly touch the left knee and put the chest higher much as you can. Just stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly from here, bring the left hand up, right hand up the ceiling and go to child pose one more time. Just stay here for a few seconds. 1, 2, and slowly bring your body up to the child pose. Then from child pose, we bring your body to the diamond seat firmly and straighten your leg. From here, bend. You can bend your elbow and straighten your elbow. Open your chest more and flick your toe. Look up the ceiling, cobra pose. Just stay here for 5 seconds. Open the chest small. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly, you can sit up the diamond posture and or go with child pose one more time. 1, 2, and 3. And now from here, very easy, another option, we go with the bow pose. Now, lie down on the mat and slowly bend to knee. Bring your hand, wrap your leg. Wrap the leg here, hold the leg, and slowly inhale, exhale. Now inhale, raise your leg up, head up, bow pose. Try to raise much higher as you can. And just stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release your leg, release your hand. And your hand you can flick together with support and can rest here for a few seconds. 1, 2, and 3. Now we go to another posture. This one has the gas in the body. Release. We will go with the holding. Bring your leg together, lie down, bring your leg together and just touch your knee like this. And bring the chin to the chest. And if you can, try to bring the chin to the knee. Let's stay here. The touch the elbow. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, release your hand, release your leg. And can observe your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now we go with the bow pose from here. Slowly straighten your hands, straighten your leg, and inhale. Bring your leg up 45 degrees and go to bow pose. Or you can push your hand down, raise your leg on it. We will keep it for change our core strongly. So from here, leg 45 degrees, raise your leg. 60 degrees, let's stay here for a few seconds. 30 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release your leg. And from here, slowly turn to the left side with the hand support, push the belly up. And for last pose is very powerful. It is the Inger pose. So, how we do it? The leg, right leg bring over the left leg and we twist like this. So, right hand over the left hand. So now we will, from this angle, maybe you can see easier. Right hand, right leg bring over the left leg and twist. Left hand stay and right hand twist over the left hand and bend down. Yes, stuck in the core. Focus in one point. Stay here for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. And now we do another side. Bring your left leg, swing over the right leg, tuck in your core, right hand over the left hand, and sit down, bend down, look. Try to don't let your knee bend on knee. Slowly, gently bring your elbow higher as much you can, and slowly sit down. Yes, stay here. Stay firmly and strongly. Look at one point. Stay firmly and strongly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. And now you can open your hand, open your leg, and take deep inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Then the hand to prayer posture, leg together. Namaste everyone. Thank you for practice with me for the kidney healthy. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I see you in next video.